That's that. I'll carve up your scrawny ass even more!
I'd like to see you try! Thought my scrawny ass was grass! What happened, huh? I'm waiting!
You're looking a lot sharper than before. Tell me, what's the reason that keeps you fighting?
I want to protect my new lifestyle, I guess.
Ah, so you've been living the good life with public safety?
It ain't all good. Have to put up with a nag and a brat. But hey, could be worse. So like it or not, I'm kicking your ass. Miss Makimal praised me all day for it.
Cocky for someone who has no hope of winning.
What? You really think you've got me beat already? If I got a pulse, I got a chance!
You got nothing!
Where is it?
Emergency stop. Please evacuate in an orderly fashion once the doors open. Thank you.
Whoa, 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 whoa! Ah! Dude, that move's banned starting now!
You wish. You're done. Can't fight without your arms. So how about it, Denji? Why not use your last few breaths to apologize for killing Granddad?
Who says I can't still fight? The chainsaw on my head is all I need to end this!
Moron! Didn't my granddad ever teach you to know when to quit? Grovel for his mercy, and I'll put you out of your misery.
You put the dick in predictable. And went for my head like a dipshit! Didn't that rotten old geezer ever teach ya? He should know better than to trust